Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, all my beautiful queens of the world. So in this video, like I promised, I'm gonna show y'all how I trim my hair. This is really good for people who just wear their hair curly all the time. I'm not really focused on how accurate, my hair is cut. I'm just focused on trimming my ends and dusting my ends. So this is what I did to just make sure I'm taking care of my hair. So I feel like this is all about keeping up the maintenance to your hair. So how you make sure you deep condition your hair all the time, you make sure you wash your hair all the time. I feel like it's necessary to dust your ends all the time, and you don't have to go to a beauty salon to do that. I'm definitely not gonna go to a beauty salon to do that. I'm a strong believer in, you could do it at home. So, I have a job, I go to school. I'm not the richest person on the planet, but I still got to take care of my hair. So yes, I trim my hair at home. It's very necessary. So in the back, I just take small sections, work my way to the top. At the top, I just make sure it's even, with the middle part, and I'm good to go. That's literally all I do. It's really simple. I like to keep it simple. I once heard someone say, keep it simple, stupid, or something like that. So yeah, just get those little straggly ends off and keep it moving. You don't gotta be doing too much. Y'all see I'm trying to chill out with the color. It's so hard, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do next. I don't know if I'm going to do anything next. I'm just focused on keeping my ends. I'm just working on keeping my ends and my edges. That's all. That is all I'm focused on. So yeah, if you guys haven't already, be sure to participate in my giveaway that I'm doing. It ends on the 21st, which is on a Wednesday, November 21st. So make sure y'all go back and enter that. There's a form in there that you have to fill out. Make sure y'all go do that. Yeah, there's only a couple people that did it, so you have a good chance of winning. Free conditioner, and I think it's amazing. I actually used it, before I blew out my hair and before I did my trim. So these are my end results. Girls, yes, I'm feeling my fro. I definitely rocked it for a while, let me tell you, and I got mad compliments. If y'all liked it, give me a thumbs up, let me know, and make sure y'all are subscribed, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you, bye.